So next question is from a point in the interior of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So you know the how the equilateral triangle looks like. So perpendicular they have drawn here perpendicular. What is this? It's working a bit late. What? It's coming slowly. So if you're having any equilateral triangle, just drawing simply. Why it's so slow? I don't know what happened to this. Okay, children, see here. They have given the perpendicular in this. So perpendicular lines you can draw over here. See from perpendicular from this line you just draw one perpendicular line. Okay. Then you can draw from interior point of equilateral triangle. Perpendiculars are drawn on the three sides. Let the length of the perpendiculars are 14, 10, and 6. So you have to find the area of the triangle. What would be the area of triangle? You can think this question, okay? You can think it at home, then only you can just understand. Immediately you can't understand, right? This is A, B, C. Perpendiculars are D, E, F. Okay. So this is your point O. So they have given the perpendicular length. One is 14, another one is 10, and other one is 6. This whole part is 10. Again, other one is 14, another one is 6. So you have to find the area of the triangle. Okay. You can find the area of the triangle, children. Just try by at home, okay? Once you try, this is your homework. Try this. Homework, you can take it off, okay? Next question we are moving. That is question number 4. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32. The ratio of the equal sides to the base is 3:2. Find the area of triangle. You can find, children, that is very easy. The perimeter of isosceles triangle, first what is given that you write it off. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is equals to 32 centimeter. We are just going to make one isosceles triangle over here. So ratio they were given, okay? The ratio is, see, ratio of equal sides to the base. Equal side is this and this. this ratio and base ratio. Okay, this ratio is, and this one, this is different one. So equal side is this one, the just ratio is 3x will it, and this is 2x. So this also must be 3x only. Is it clear? This must be 3x only. Then we can find the side of each side of the isosceles triangle, children. We can write here perimeter of isosceles triangle is 32 centimeter. Perimeter, what we can write? AB plus BC plus AC is equals to 32 centimeter. Again, we can write here 3x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 32 centimeter. 3, 3, 6 to 8. 8x is equal to 32 centimeter. X is equals to,
X equals to 4.
yeah, x is equals to 4 centimeter. So area you can find easily, children. Area also you can find easily. So this side 3x is mentioned here, no? The 3x you can mention is as 12. This also is 12. This is what? 8. So sides are 12, 12 and 8. Okay. So how to find, how we want to find the area of triangle? By Heron's formula or by this taking half base into height? How do you want to
Heron's
find?
formula.
Yeah, use Heron's formula. So here we can write it as S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So we can write it as 12, anything, right? 12 plus 8 divided by 2, 24 plus 8, that is 32 by 2, that is 16. Now we apply Heron's formula. Area is equals to root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we can write it as S is 16, 16 minus 12, again 16 minus 12, again 16 minus 8. So 16 multiply by 4 into 4 into 8. 4 is coming. Again we can write 16, we can write 8 into 2. 8 into 2 we can write because 8 is already there, right? So 8 is common. Again we can write here 8. 4 is coming here in 2. So answer is coming 32 root 2. 30 root 2 root 2 centimeter square. Is it clear to everyone? 32 root 2. 32 root,
Yes, sir.
32 root 2 is the answer. Now next question is, see the parallelogram over given over here. Find the area of parallelogram given in figure 12.2. Also find the length of the altitude from vertex A on side DC. What do you have to find? Find the length of altitude from vertex A. This A, you just name it as D.
Sir,
Okay. Sorry.
Sir.
Tell.
I have doubts, sir, and in the previous sum, sir. Sir,
Tell.
I got 8 root 8, sir.
8 root
Sir,
8. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
You did by Heron's formula only.
Yeah, sir. In 16, we can write as 4 into 4, sir. So 8. Oh, yes. So, but means 8. I think it will come as 8, sir. Means not in the root, sir.
Not in root.
Answer will, yeah, sir. In 16, we can write as 4 into 4.
Wait.
So
What?
4.
Wait. Yeah, you are saying true. 4 is 16. So 4 is
Yeah,
coming.
sir.
But 8 is there. How you can write? How you can write while root will not come? Okay, how you have written that only way I'll do here. Tell me. 16 you can write 4 into 4. Next.
Yeah, sir. And this we can write as 4 into 4, sir.
Okay. Then 8.
Sir, I did wrong, I think so, sir.
Yeah. 8 you can write 2 into 2 into 2, right? So 2 will be pending only
Yeah.
now. 2 will be pending only, right? All right.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, here we have to find the altitude from vertex A, that is AE. You let it as E. Here you can write it as E. So we have to find AE. And area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. See, what is area of parallelogram, children? What is area of parallelogram? That is simply base into height. Okay. I told you almost 4 sides figures are there. No, that rectangle. Rectangle also area is what? Base into height, right? Rectangle also area is base into height. A square area is also base into height. But here actually we are telling A square. But base into height is what? Same only, no? A into A. In rectangle also length into breadth is what? Base into height. Correct? So if you find AE, no, if you find AE, easily you can find this one. Because base already we know. How to find AE? That is our question here. How to find AE? Anyone can tell me how to find AE over here? See what we can do here
So
is, tell
you
Saichal.
can divide it into 2 triangles and do the Heron's formula and then add those triangles here.
Exactly. That only I'm just trying to say. This is your first triangle completely without dot. Okay. And second triangle is CBD. This is second triangle. Okay. So first triangle area we can find by Heron's formula. So first you find
Yeah, sir.
S. S is equals to what you can write? A plus B plus C by 2. So that is 12 plus 17 plus 25. Satvik, respond what you are getting, that you respond here. Something you tell. 7 and 9. 7 and 2, 9, 9, 5, 14. Carry 1, 3, 4, 5. 54 by 2. Tell what will come, Satvik? 27 centimeter. A is equals to 25 centimeter. B is equals to 17 centimeter. C is equals to 12 centimeter. Then apply the formula, Heron's formula. So we can write here area is equals to root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So root over S, so not S. How many times we should write it? S all the time I'm writing here. So we can write here S, that is 27, right? 27 minus 25. Again, 27 minus 17. 27 minus 12. All of you fine, children? After getting this one, no, you have to multiply. After getting this one, you have to multiply by 2 because the same thing is repeating in double also, right? So we have to multiply to make it double. So we can write here what? All of you find what you are getting the answer. I'm just stopping right now. Tell the answer, children. Tell the answer fast.
Sir, 18 root 5, sir.
18 root 5. I'm getting
Sir,
30.
90. 90.
Huh?
So I got 60,
No,
sir.
60 you are getting. Okay, see where I did mistake. I've written 27 as 3 and 9 into 3. 27 into 25, that is 2. 27 minus 20, 17 is 10. 27 minus 12, that is 15, right? Till here I did correct.
Sir, I'm
Sir,
getting 30 to
sir,
3.
Sir, it's not 5 into 5, sir. It's 5 into 3, sir. 15.
15, yeah, 5 into 3. Yeah, yeah, it's correct. You are true.
So we will get 90, sir.
You should write here 3. So
Sir,
there's,
I
Yeah.
followed you till root 30. I got root 30 into root 3.
Sir,
yeah,
I
tell.
am also
Huh?
90, sir. I'm getting.
Okay. But 5 is alone here, no? 8, 2 into 1 minute, 1 minute. 3 into 3
No,
into
sir.
3,
10
2.
is equals to 5 into 2, sir. 15 is equals to
Sir,
5
2
into 3.
into 5, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
10
yeah,
is 2 into 5, sir.
yeah, fine. So now we are getting correctly. 3 into 3 into 2 into 5, correct? Children, now it's correct, check.
Yes, sir.
So 90 we are getting. Understood, Sriyanvi?
Yes, sir.
See, you also did mistake, I also did mistake. You got 60, I got 30 root 3. So area of the,
Sir,
yeah. So
I
area,
followed you till there,
yeah.
and then I did it.
So area of this whole parallelogram is 2 multiplied by 90. So we got it as 180 centimeters square. Okay. So you find the area of parallelogram by this method, or you can use by base into height method. Both are same. So I'll write here area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. I can write like this. So area of parallelogram is 180 is given over here. 180 is equals to base, that is 12, and height. So h is equals to, we can write 180 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60. Height is 15 centimeter. So if people are having doubt or not, it's clear to everyone. Is it clear, children? So we got the height also, and we got the what? We got height as well as area of parallelogram. So shall we close the meeting till here?
Sure, sir.
So
Sir,
tell me your doubts.
sir means here we cannot do the area of the parallelogram, sir, as we do not know the height, sir.
See
So
area.
now only we got the height.
See
That's
area.
why.
See here only we got the area of parallelogram. No? Here only area. This is area of parallelogram only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, sir.
So this value only we are putting over here.
Yeah.
Hmm.